Hi everybody, I'm going to show you a tip to make laminating your stickers easier and better. First thing you got to do is you've got to make your stickers. If you already have them made, great. The next thing you got to do is you got to print them out just as you would. And once you've printed out your sticker sheets or stickers, next thing you need to do is grab your laminator. I happen to have a laminator. They're pretty cheap. Mine cost me like $30 at Walmart. Grab whatever vinyl you're using to laminate your stickers. Measure it, size it to fit on your sticker sheet. For this video, I'm going to be using holographic sticker paper and just regular waterproof sticker paper to laminate my stickers for one of them. Once you've gotten the laminate, what you're using for laminate on your sticker paper page, this is before cutting, run it through your laminator. I've got a heat laminator, so you just run it through and it presses the laminate top down on your stickers, giving it a nice seal. If there are any bumps or anything like that, you just run over with your tool to flatten it all out, because it's warm and it will do it really easy. I found it really easy to do. If there was a couple little bubbles, I just pushed them out with my vinyl tool, this one right here, and it just made it nice and smooth and flat. But this was an awesome hack to see, way to really press those two layers together. And once you've gotten that done, once you've added the laminate onto your sticker sheet, run it through your cutter, your Cricut, whatever you use to cut out your stickers, and it works great. They're laminated, the two layers are pressed together, they're sealed. Now the stickers are waterproof. Some of them are holographic. It's awesome. This is awesome. If you found this helpful, remember to hit that like button for me. Let me know if you tried this down in the comments, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Happy creating, everybody.